Welcome, this is Sheri Traxler with Vireo Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. My health is the main capital I have, and I must administer it intelligently. Ernest Hemingway. One of my private clients initially came to me because she had been pouring out of herself, growing her business, taking care of things in her church and her family, taking care of a chronically ill family member. And by the time she came to me, she was empty. She was exhausted and beginning to have some health issues herself. Imagine that this cup of water is her. Actually, let's get a little more personal. Imagine this cup of water is you. And imagine that this is all of your responsibilities, everything else you have in life going on. You can pour out of yourself for a few days, for a few weeks, for a month or two before you get empty. And you've got to then refill. I've got a personal story with this that sometime when we are in the mood, when I'm in the mood for having a cup of tea with you and sitting down and talking us through it, it's a marked for life memory of my mother who did this, where she got too empty and it did not end pretty. So for now, know that you are important and that taking care of your health is important for you and for those around you. What does that look like? For this client, we designed a personal program for her that included intuitive eating and nutrition. It included exercise, but exercise that fit into her day because she did have a lot going on. And so it was lengthening walks that she was taking with her dog and so forth during the day as breaks. Your personal plan will be personal to you, but a good place to start is the videos here on my channel on exercise, on nutrition, on intuitive eating, and on transformation motivation, moving you from motivation to habit. I want to show you what that looks like. So here you are floating around in everybody else because you have poured out of yourself into them. But as you take steps in your personal plan, whatever that looks like for you, as you watch the videos and begin to implement those things, you begin to feel better yourself, and then still full of life yourself, you automatically start pouring life into others. Well, I hope that this gave you a visual and some motivation to take care of yourself, both for you and for your loved ones around you. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe so you can be the first to receive our new videos. And until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.